Good morning. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I want to show you what I got and what I fell in love with and what I started using right away. So you all know I'm from St. Augustine, Florida. I talk about it a lot. I do live in Texas. I do get to go back to Florida a lot. St. Augustine is the oldest in the United States. And when Anna Griffin put up for sale a Lighthouse card kit, or not kit, but card die, it's an easel, but you can also put it on a 5x7. I had to buy it. So here it is. And if you took just this part, you could make a 5x7 card because this is 4.5 by almost 5, so it would fit on a card. And so I had to get it. So then I had to get all my Anna Griffin supplies out. So here are the first two I made for samples. And um, that's a one, and this is Anna's paper, and I use the black and the white metallic and the gold and the red metallic cardstock and the green. All of it was the metallic uh, for this one. So here's the first one, and then here's the second one. It's more or less the same, but it's the blue paper that looks watery. So there's those two. But then I'm like, it just doesn't look right. So then I printed the lighthouse from St. Augustine. And this is supposed to be black just right here, just this part. And I may go ahead and go put black back on this or just send this out like that. Because if you you wouldn't even know if I wouldn't have pointed it out too much. So now let me show you what the rest of them look like. And I think they look so much better. Look at that. Does that not look like that? Look, I'm going to send these to my mom so she'll mail them out. So I made all 5 more. So I made 7 altogether. And fussy cut. This is, as you can see, there's trees. I do have a question I wanted to ask y'all. I had a little bit of em- embellishments and stuff, and I thought about putting it there, but if you look at this, it's just the trees, so I kind of, this could even be supposed to be water, like blue, or clouds, but um, in my picture, it's the trees. So there's one, and there's the paper I used, and here's another one, and here's the paper I used, and then another one, and this is her new paper that just came out, and here's another one. Oops, that doesn't belong in there. That was me showing you, should I put that there or does it take it away? I think I'm going to leave it. Um, and so, and then here's the last one, but they all look the same. But uh, is this not like the cutest? This is like, I love it. I think I did a good job. And I'm not adding a lot because that doesn't have a lot on it. And I don't even know if the 4th of July, if they hang banners or not. But by the time these get to my mom, it'll be too late to use all that. And look how they stand up like that. There's plenty of room on the back for writing if you want to. Um, that's her new paper. That's the new paper. That's her new paper. So yeah. So oh my Lord. Ay 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 ay. And then to get this this I just glued it on the back and pop dotted it. So, oh my Lord, I had so much fun. And the whole time I'm thinking about, I went to the top of this lighthouse. It has like 290 steps up and 293 down, 293 up and down. And it's really up there. And you can see the intercoastal, you can see the inlet, you can see the fort. If you haven't been to St. Augustine, with it being the oldest in the United States, Henry Flagler is the one that really built it. And he was the second richest man in the world um, at the time. So, yeah, uh, it was founded in 1565. This lighthouse, it did burn down before. This is a couple 150 years old, but not as old. But yeah, anyway, I'm just rambling. If you want this dye, it's on annagriffin.com, or you might find it on HSN, but annagriffin.com is where you really find everything. But Is there a lighthouse near you? Did you go on vacation where there's a lighthouse and you need a lighthouse? So yeah, I am going to make this because my brother lives right down the road, so this is going to be perfect for scrapbooking and put it with pictures. We were going to go this year, a couple of weeks ago, to the lighthouse and take Axel, but you have to be a certain height. So I don't know if he was tall enough. And we went swimming at my brother's house, like two doors down instead. So anyway, yeah, I just had fun making this, and I just think they're just so cute, and I think I kind of did a good job. What do y'all think? Thanks, guys. Have a blessed day. All my links are down below and annagriffin.com.